So one way to get people into your chatbot automation is to use chatbot entry point links. So that means you can actually share a specific link with your potential leads or customers, then it will simply start a chatbot automation. So let me how to build this one. So you can actually implement these sort of chatbot entry point links in your email marketing campaigns, or even in your website on a landing page, or even through the QR codes as well. So let's see how to build chatbot entry point links. So here, first of all, let me actually create a chatbot flow to explain this in detail. So let me go to the flow section right here, and let me actually create a new flow named as entry points link test. So here, what sort of message you want to send to those customers who actually initiate a chat. So let me say, hello, welcome to our chatbot automation. Just a simple welcome message right here. And you can even add the contents like emojis, collect user data. A lot of possibilities are here. Let's actually add one emoji as well, and let's do like this, welcome, and let's add this welcome right here. All right, so I'm going to make it very simple. So I'm going to just simply send this sort of message only, just to explain how this entry point links works. So I have just published this one. So what you do is you have to actually go to auto marketing right here. So click on it, and let me actually open this in a new tab right here. And here you will see entry point links. Share your bot on websites, social media platforms, or other messaging apps as an entry point for users to start a conversation with the bot. Simple as that. So if you actually click on this one, you will have an option to create the entry points links right here. So the beautiful thing about using the entry point link is that you can also pass specific customer variables as well, which will be saved right on their profile. So let me actually click on add over here. So let me actually name this one as just add as welcome right here, and bot response. So you have to choose the flow we just created. So here the flow we created is, so this is the flow we just created, entry point link test. So let me type it as entry point link test. Here you have the option to pass specific variables or customer data as well when they click on the link. For now, let's use none and click save. So in a minute I will show how to pass the variables as well. So we have created this particular entry point right here. So here, if you click on get link, you have the option to run this through Messenger, Instagram, Telegram, web chat. So if you have connected other channels like WhatsApp or SMS, you will see those links right here as well. So let's just use the web chat option right here and copy this one. So this is the link I just copied. So let me show that link. So this particular links looks like this. Web chat, this is your account ID, I guess, and here you will have ref equal welcome. So if you send this particular link to a particular customer, it will simply send us this particular welcome message and this particular message right here. So let me show that. So it sent the GIF and also this message right here. So now let's say if you want to pass a specific kind of variables through this particular chatbot link, you can do that as well. So here let me show the guide over here. So here we have the help center guides right here. So if you choose auto marketing, entry point links, and here you have the option to pass multiple variables to the entry point link as well. So here sample web chat, this is how it looks like. So here if you want to pass a specific variable, you can simply do that. So here let's actually create a custom field right here. So let me go to flows over here, custom fields, and let me create a custom field as a lead source. And click save. Alright, I have just created. So let me go back to the entry point links right here, and what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to edit this one, and here more option, I want to pass the variable lead source right here and click save. Now I want to get this particular link once again, choose website because I'm going to test this on the website. And if you see, this is how the entry point links looks like. So suppose if you want to pass just one variable, lead source, you have to actually follow this thing. So here it simply ends with giveaway. For example, here it ends with welcome. So if you want to pass a specific variable or value, you can simply type like this. So let me show that. So here if you type like this, two dashes right here, and after that you have to simply enter whatever the value you want to save in the lead source. For example, here we have put like 456, and the variable custom field we are using is user external identifier. So in the above link, 456 is the payload, and 456 will be saved to the custom user field user external identifier. So likewise, if we pass that particular specific lead source information, for example, let's say we want to pass as checkout. So let's say we want to pass it as checkout. So that means that particular customer has initiated a chat on the checkout page. So here, let me show that. So this is the link right here we have. And here, if we go to the inbox over here, we should be able to track the conversation just happened. And as you see here, there is no any sort of custom field variables related to lead source. So now if I use this particular link right here, so because we are actually passing lead source as checkout, so let me fix that spelling as well. So let me delete one O. All right, checkout. So if I click on enter right here, we will still get the same welcome message once again with this specific message. But if we go to the inbox and if I refresh this particular profile right here, we should see the lead source will be saved as checkout. So that means you can actually pass whatever the specific custom fields to a particular customer before you actually initiate a chat as well. So here in this example, I showed how to pass just one variable or value right here. You have the option to pass multiple custom fields as well. So now let's see how to pass multiple variables to the entry point links, not just lead source. So here I have actually created a new custom field product as well. As you see here, I have this product custom field created. So let's see how to pass this particular variable right to the customer profile as well. To simply follow this one right here. So you can simply pass the value of the lead source right here because we have already set the custom fields of that particular variable right here. So here we have saved payload to custom field. So you can actually directly pass that particular value of a lead source in your link right here. And after that, if you want to pass any other variables, you can simply get the custom field ID of those variables and then add two dashes and simply put the value of those variables. Simple as that. So here let me show that. So here let me grab the ID of this particular product, get ID. So now let me actually first grab the entry point link over here. So this is the entry point link, website, copy this one. So now we can simply pass the lead source variable value right here. So let's say this time I want to pass the lead source value as SMS. And now if I want to pass some custom field values to this particular product, so let me get the ID right here and paste it right here. And let's say I want to pass the product variable or value as chatbot demo. So we are actually passing two values here. Lead source will be saved as SMS and product will be saved as chatbot demo. So let me click enter right here and see how this actually works. So it should send us the welcome GIF and also the message. If I go to the inbox right here, let me see how the inbox looks like over here. So let me open the inbox, this particular chat, and as you see here, lead source is saved as SMS right here and the product is saved as chatbot demo. So likewise, you can actually pass multiple variables to the custom profile right here and initiate a chat using their value right here. Using whatever the values you have for these customers, you can send customized messages for them as well. So you can actually use these links in your emails, or you can even create QR codes as well. For example, if you go to auto marketing right here, and here you have the option to create the magic links or QR codes. So if you go to the magic links right here, click on add, you have to enter the URL, whatever the URLs you have here. So we are actually passing SMS and the demo chatbot. SMS will be lead source and the demo chatbot will be this one, and here you can simply name this one as whatever the names you want to have here. So SMS chatbot, SMS chatbot demo, and click continue. So that will actually create a QR code right here. So if you get QR code, so if you simply ask customers to scan this particular QR code internally, when they actually initiate a chat, their lead source will be set as welcome SMS, and they will have the product as demo chatbot. Simple as that. So that's a quick video on how you can actually use a chatbot entry point links to get more people to your chatbot automations. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.